Hey everybody, welcome back to McCamey Farming Outdoors. I appreciate you stopping by. We're down here in the chicken lot this evening and going to install a automatic chicken coop door. We've had some issues, unfortunately, here within the last couple months. We've lost some of our chickens. I'll call them the adolescent chickens that we had. We got back in February. We lost some of those, and honestly, I'm not sure exactly what it was that's been getting them. I don't know if it's a weasel or a raccoon. I'm not sure. Either way, we lost some of them, and it was happening after it got dark. The last one, we were actually out on the back porch, and it had just gotten just a little bit dusky dark, and we heard commotion down here in the chicken coop, and came down, and sure enough, one had got inside and knocked one of the chickens off the roost and had it tore up. Luckily it survived, but we definitely got to do something. We've been coming down each evening and at night, putting a board over the door and trying to keep them out, and that's kept them safe. But I picked this up on Amazon, and I think it was, I want to say I got it 50% off for $49.99. Battery operated. I'll put a link in the description. But we're going to get this installed, get the timer set on it, and see how it's going to work. And hopefully this will be an automated process now, instead of having to come down here at night and every morning and worrying about it. So let's get this installed and give it a trial run and see how it's going to work out. So I chose to put some plywood up here versus furring out this door, because if for some reason this doesn't work out, then I can just take this plywood off, have my original opening, and then we can try out another door if this one doesn't work. But I cut this out, basically the dimensions of the inside of the automatic door. That way it gave me plenty of room here on the edges for the screws to bite and put in place here. So this is aluminum sheet metal. It's got a gear drive in the middle of it. It basically just runs it up and down. The only thing so far I'm not real happy about is the size of the door, which I'm sure it'll be fine, but it's, I think, 8¼ inch opening by 12½ inch opening, so it's a little on the small side, but I think it'll be okay. I believe they can get in and out fine with it. So all right, let's get this installed. They give you a little screwdriver to put this screw in for the battery cover. 3 AA batteries is what it takes. Not included, of course. They do give you an extra couple screws for that side and the other. Pull this protective covering off. Pretty decent instructions with it. So we're gonna manually open and close. Let's see how this works out. All right. seems to work pretty smooth. No binding up issues or anything like that. Pretty simple. Alright, let's get the time set on it, and then we'll see if it operates on time like it's supposed to. Okay, we've got the clock set on it, and the open and close times set. It does have all your times in military time, so you can't get that confused as far as AM and PM. I set this one to open at 6:45 AM and close at 9:15 PM. And right now that's pretty well in line with what our sunrise and sunset is. I'm gonna try this and see how it works out. Now, this door is supposed to have a pinch mechanism where if one of the chickens get in it, it senses and basically strips itself more or less, so it can't pinch the chicken, and then it continues on its operation when it's clear. So that's a good safety feature in case you do have a chicken that's just so happens to be going in the door at time to go down. So that's a plus. See there, it won't allow it to go down until it's clear, and then it'll shut. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna set up a camera and put a little bit of a time lapse on it, and kind of see the chickens go in and out, and then see how it operates and functions on the time clock. So I appreciate you watching. If you would, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one.